Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A11 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down, as you can see, to actually very bottom and tap on About Phone. Now we have to enter the software info because we are looking for the build number, which is right here, and all you have to do right now is simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in a developer mode. As you can see here, we've got the info, so we can go back to the general settings. And now let's scroll down again, and right under About Phone, we've got developer options. Let's enter it. And here we've got a lot of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, here you've got, I don't know, you can change the window animation scale, you can show surface updates, show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth. So a lot of options. And in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. And obviously, in order to turn it off, just tap on the switcher again. What's more, if you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open advanced settings. So if you are done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on this switcher right here. As you can see, they are inactive, and after getting back, they disappear from the settings. But no worries, of course, if you'd like to customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.